In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can select any of those themes by tapping on the chosen one. And when you're ready, use this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on. Following that, just hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, you need to access the same settings. And this time use this plus icon under my themes to tap on any photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!